Hey guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make foam slime. So let me show you the ingredients. The first thing you're going to be needing is glue, any type of glue. I'm just using Elmer's glue. And a bowl and a spoon. Sorry, there's stuff in here. Sorry. And a bowl and something to mix with. I'm just going to use this. You can use a spoon if you want. And then you want to have some lotion. This is totally optional. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. It's all up to you. And once again, it's optional. It is shaving cream. Shaving cream is optional because you might not want shaving cream, or you might not have shaving cream. But yeah, that's also optional. And then you need your foam. And where do you get foam? You can get like a little plush and kind of just feel it, and if it feels like squishy and soft and everything's like moving around and they're really tiny, then it's probably these. Or you could just go to like Michael's or something and get them from there. That also works. And then you can color your slime. You can use food coloring, paint, markers. I'm using paint. And then you can have any type of activator. I just have some baking soda and some saline solution. And the colored paint I'm going to be using, I have, at this moment, I have more, but I'm just going to show you the paints that I have with me right now. I have a green one, a pink one, a purple one, a black one, and a blue one. And I'm going to do the blue one. The blue one is called the Blue Pool, so if you want to go get that, it's Blue Pool. Probably can't understand. Blue Pool. And then in your bowl, you're just going to want to add your glue. So let's do that. So I'm not going to use a lot. I'm just going to use like that much because I've already made this, so I don't need a whole bunch of it. And then you want to take your shaving cream, if you want it, and just add your shaving cream. And you want to kind of stir that up together. And if you want lotion, you can add your lotion right now. Together, and then you want to add your food coloring, paint, whatever, and I just got it on my hands, so we're gonna have to wash that off. And I'll probably wash it after the video, or it will get it when I'm playing with the slime. So then I'm going to add some of the baking soda. I'm going to add a little bit more than I have been using because it hasn't been it's took a lot of saline solution. And now for the saline solution. You don't want to add too much saline solution because you want it to still be very sticky, but you want it to be like sticky but play sticky. Like you're still able to play with it, but it's just sticky because the slime like has to be able where you can play with it. So like you can still play with it, but it also has to be able where it's like sticky, so you can add, so the little bead stuff will stick like this. Like this is sticky, but it's not too sticky. So put that back in there, and then you want to take your little foam and you can add as much as you want. So I'm just gonna add just a little bit. I would start with a little, and then I would probably get more and more as I go, because you don't want to add like too much. So I'm going to stir this together. But you don't want to add too much of the foam balls because it could like make it very, not sticky. It could make it like, I don't know how to explain it. It won't make this. Like all the foam balls will fall out. And that's why you have to make it where it's still not so sticky. Also, all the foam balls will fall. And after you put them in and the slime is very sticky and stuff, if it's too sticky for you, then you should have added a little bit more borax because you can, because if you add some more, or whatever you're using, but if you add more like saline solution or whatever, it's just gonna make it more sticky. So this is how mine turned out. You can add more if you want. but I like how much I've added, and I think it's a really nice consistency. So that's what you'll get if you make this type of slime, and I think it's very fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.